Okay, in this video, I'm going to lead you through an activity where we're going to find a bunch of points on the unit circle. So, throughout this video, I'd like you to have this ideally printed out. You could redraw it if you want, but this works the best if you could print this page I have open out, and you'll see why, because you're going to have to cut certain things out and place it on the unit circle. Alright, so be ready throughout the video, just kind of to pause, try some on your own, and then hit play, and so on and so forth. So a unit circle, in math, a unit usually refers to like the simplest form of something. So a unit circle is a circle on a coordinate plane where the center is at the origin and the radius is equal to 1. So, well, this is a very valuable tool in trig because it allows us to do a lot of things like graph and evaluate trig functions as just two little of many things. So we're going to find where special angles intersect the unit circle. So those are angles where the reference angles are either 0, 30, 45, 60, or 90. Alright, so and then we're going to use it to find certain values. So what you're going to do is right now pause the video and, well, not right now, but when I'm done explaining this, you're going to cut across this line and you're going to cut out these two triangles and cut them out as close to perfect as possible. So like I really want you to like cut it like this, like, and cut it like that. Alright, now the reason why is that these triangles are drawn to scale. So this unit circle, if we scroll back up here, has a radius of 1. Right, you can tell because it crosses at the point 1, 0. Alright, these triangles have hypotenuses of length 1. So I know I said like 30 seconds ago to pause. Hopefully you didn't pause yet. But when you cut these out, you need to notice that these lengths here are 1. And then what I want you to do right now is find the other lengths. So if you want to pause before you cut and find out what these lengths would be if the hypotenuse was 1. Okay? So pause the video right now and do that. Alright, so this side here would be 1/2 because it's across from 30. So like that would also be 1/2. So this whole side would be 1. And this whole side would be 1 as well because they're both across from 60 degrees. Okay? And then this side right here would be √3/2. Now you're going to cut these triangles out in a moment, or you may have done it already. So you're going to want to write it like inside the triangle, so I might have to write a little small. Okay, and then for the other triangle, this would be, if this side is x and that side is x, this is going to be x√2. So if x√2 is equal to 1, you have to divide by √2, so you get x is equal to 1/√2, which simplifies to √2/2. So what you should do is write on these legs here that this side is √2/2 and this side is √2/2. Or if you just know that, that's fine too. You don't have to write it on the triangle. Okay, so now what I'd like you to do is just cut these out, and then we're going to use this circle up here and we're going to place it on the circle to find a bunch of angles.